Hi, I'm Jennifer, 13 years old and in the top 10 juniors in India. 5 years from now, I see myself playing at my favorite tournament, which is Roland Garros, the French Open.
Jennifer is a girl with special abilities. Not only she is hardworking and committed, she has been very lucky so far.
I first saw Jenny here about 3 years ago when I came in here to practice. She's a really good kid, fun-loving and hard-working. Over the last 2-3 years, she's really developed into one of the best tennis players in the country.
Jennifer comes in at 8 o'clock in the morning. She comes in, goes for her rehab exercises first, which is injury prevention exercises. After that, she comes on the court for her footwork training, beyond which she gets into tactical and technical sessions. And then we try to get her a match in the evening. And of course, not to forget that she does her physical fitness too.
The right things have been happening for her all the time. She was selected at a young age by Mahesh Bhupati's mission. Now she is lucky that Adi sir has selected her and coaching her.
For any person to succeed in any sport, the person needs to be a very good athlete. And I see those traits in Jennifer. She's a great athlete, which helps my cause of making her a better tennis player.
You can be a good tennis player, but if you're a good athlete as well, that helps you to go higher up.
Any athlete, once they cross, say 15, 16 years old, they need to play at least a minimum of 25 weeks, which requires a lot of money. So if she does get that kind of support, that's the minimum I'm looking at her is playing at least 24 weeks outside the country.
The whole idea is that in the next 3-4 years, she can get into top, say, 50 in the juniors, and she can start playing the women's circuit and start to have a ranking and get higher up there.
I mean, international exposure is very important, not only from a development point of stage when they are learning, but even from a competing point of phase. Because you do get to play players who are tougher, better, get that self-confidence of beating these players outside the country.
Biggest difference between her and the other players her age is that she enjoys the hard work. She has fun and she loves competing. She's a great athlete. She moves well, better than most players her age, and she's a good team working with her. She has Yogesh as a technical head who's been working with her for the past, say, 3 years. And then she has a new guy, Gaurav, who hits with her. Now she can handle pace a little better, and she's been working hard on her fitness. She's been training under Karan. She has a mental trainer with her now. Alip's there to take care of that, so that she has clarity of thought. She doesn't get too nervous while matches. She's only starting out. The next 5 years are really crucial for her, and she needs to travel about 20-25 weeks a year, which is a lot, and that needs a lot of funding.
She is the most dedicated and committed person you can come across.
You can see it. She belongs there. She's there, you know. So she's doing what she wants to do.
She certainly has a great future.
It's like a complete package for me. 3 things that make a player are head, heart and legs, which I do see in her. And I hope she can deliver the kind of potential she has in her. She has the capability. It's just a matter of her putting herself together and getting this required support that she needs.